Did you know a few simple changes to your Android phone can significantly boost up your internet speed? Let's walk through them. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is going to Google Chrome and going to fast.com or anywhere else that you're going to measure your internet speed. So this is the baseline that we're working with. Let's bump that up by going first into your settings. So I'm going to swipe up and tap on settings. From here, let's tap on connections at the top. And if you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, you're going to tap on it. You can see there is the Wi-Fi network I'm currently connected to. I'm going to tap on the little gear icon next to it and then tap on view more. You'll be able to see IP setting is set to DHCP. I'm going to tap on that and switch it over to static. Now, this isn't the fastest DNS servers that it could be using, so let's switch it to faster ones. To do that, we're going to scroll down, and under DNS1 and DNS2, we're going to change these. So DNS1 is already what I want, so 8.8.8.8. However, DNS2, I'm going to switch this 8.8.4.4. So 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. These are Google's DNS servers, and they're super fast. After we've saved that, let's go back out of here and make sure your phone isn't limiting your internet speed. To do that, we need to go from the beginning of the settings down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now, from here, let's scroll down until we get to Software Information. Tap on that. And next to build number, we're going to tap on that 7 times until you see it says Developer Mode is enabled. Let me just enter in the PIN code for my phone. And I'm going to hit Allow Developer Settings. We're going to check something in your developer settings. So let's go back out of here, 1 and 2. And now at the very bottom is Developer Options. Just tap on that. And now you'll be able to see as I scroll down under Network, we're looking for an option that limits download speeds. So under Networking, you can see it says where it is Network Download Rate Limit. If this is set to 15 megabytes or anything else, you want to switch this over to no limit so that you're not limiting the download speeds of your phone. After you've done that, let's hop out here and open up fast.com again, and we're just going to swipe down to refresh. This should be significantly faster than it was before. You can see it bumped it up quite a bit. Now it's in the 500 megabytes per second. However, you can do something as well to boost up your cell or mobile data speed. To do that, let's go back into your settings and go back to the very beginning. So just tap on back till you get back to the beginning, and then tap on connections at the very top. From here, you'll be able to see mobile networks midway down. Tap on that. And then access point names. Now you might have multiple different access point names, and sometimes these get corrupted or jumbled up. And this is essentially what will predict or determine how fast your internet is. So on here, I would highly recommend tapping the 3 dots at the top right and just hitting reset to default and then reset. It will go through the process of resetting those back to factory default, and I can go back into access point names after it's done that and select this one. So go through and reset those. They'll automatically be re-downloaded from your carrier, and then just choose it. At that point, I would highly recommend just pressing the power button here until you get the option that allows you to restart your phone, restart it, and your internet speed will be significantly faster.